What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this video, I've got a quick fix for you if you're having issues launching up the game or otherwise loading into different areas or even loading into the tutorial/start of the game. When I first launched this game, for some reason I wasn't able to load in at all. I basically got past the intro and then things just froze up either on a black screen or on whatever was showing last, and I wasn't actually able to load into the game world. If that sounds like you're having issues loading between different areas, this video's got a couple of solutions for you. First of all, obviously, make sure your graphics card driver and Windows are up to date for the best performance and, of course, best compatibility with this new game, as that might be causing issues. Obviously, though, you've probably already tried that, and the solution is something else. In my case, it was the River Tuner overlay causing issues, so if you're having any kind of issues, yet you've got some kind of overlay, be it Discord, River Tuner, or some other kind of FPS statistics/overlay, then that's something you should consider turning off, or at least closing in the meanwhile. Anything that hooks into the game and draws over it can cause issues, and I'm pretty sure that was my issue at the very start, completely stopping me from launching this game basically at all. Not to mention, of course, you've probably already tried, but give yourself a fresh restart to make sure that nothing else is running in the background, just in case one of the running programs could be interfering with the game / its built-in anti-cheat. And of course, this game also requires the gaming services to be installed through the Windows App Store. If it's outdated or otherwise having issues, that could be the cause, and of course there's a relatively simple solution. Hit start, open up the Microsoft Store, and make sure that under Library in the bottom left, you can search for gaming services here and not at the very top search. This searches for new apps you can download. This searches the installed apps. Make sure that you've got gaming services installed and ready to open. Otherwise, if there's some kind of an update, make sure you complete that first. If you're unable to complete Windows App Store updates or Windows updates, in the description down below, you'll find a fix updates guide that should help you get through any issues you're having there. If it's installed and you think this is the cause of your problem, you can try reinstalling it, for which you can either press these three dots and choose uninstall, then reinstall it. Otherwise, you can open up PowerShell as administrator and run this command over here to uninstall it manually. You'll find this page linked in the description down below. Just copy this, hit start, PowerShell, run as admin, then hit Ctrl-V to paste and enter to run this command, uninstalling Microsoft Gaming Services, which you can then reinstall by clicking this link over here, which just opens up your Microsoft Store straight to the Gaming Services page where you're able to reinstall it if for some reason it wasn't even showing as installed in the first place, etc. Finally, one of the weirdest solutions I've seen for this is actually making sure you're not connected to the internet. Internet connectivity apparently can cause some of these issues, stopping you from booting into the game at all, which is super strange. But besides just unplugging your Ethernet cable / turning off the Wi-Fi, I've heard that opening up your command prompt or PowerShell window and using the command ipconfig /flush DNS as such should reset a couple of things in Windows in terms of your networking and hopefully allows you to connect to the Microsoft services that could be stopping you from playing this game. But yeah, a couple of strange fixes to a very strange and possibly intermittent bug. Most of the time it'll be things running in the background interfering with Forza, which it was in my case. So if you've got some kind of exotic devices like fancy steering wheels or something plugged in, you can also try unplugging those to see if those are the cause of your issue. But besides that, those are really all of the fixes that I've come across through troubleshooting my own issues with this, as well as what I've seen working for other people. But yeah, anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.